Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial I will be showing you guys how to see if someone read your email. Have you ever wondered that if your important emails have been opened or read by the receiver? With the help of mail tracking tools, you can easily track the status of your emails and know when they have been opened. In this video, we'll explore how to enable read receipts in Gmail and introduce you to some reliable mail tracker extensions for Gmail. So let's get started. Here, open your browser and search for mailtrack.io. Open the link and install the extension on Gmail. You will be asked various infos to install. Fill it accordingly. Here I have already set up my mail tracker and had sent a video to the receiver. So let's check if the receiver has opened or read my mail or not. As you can see the two tick lines out there, it means that the receiver has already opened my mail. So the green tick is the symbol by which you get to know that if the receiver has opened your mail or not. And that's it. You can now gain a valuable insights into the status of your emails and improve your communication efficiency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Gmail tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.